Hello, Jay the Shark here from 5-Star Marine. Today, we're going out on one of our most sought after and most popular tours. It's not Kite Island, it's not Maya Bay, even though it should be Maya Bay, and it's not Similan Islands, it is the Bioluminescence and Sea Canoeing Tour. Woo woo!
Woo! Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about. Woo!
Yeah, well, that's where, you know, you're supposed to say woo woo. No one's saying woo. Oh, well, it doesn't matter. Right, so anyway, we're going to head out now to Phang Nga Bay and we're going to go and check it out. I'm going to take you around the whole tour so you can see exactly what you can do when you come on our Bioluminescence and Sea Canoeing Tour. You ready to come with us? Yes, you are. Right then, let's go! We're at our first stop. Behind me is Phang Nga Island, which is the largest island in Phang Nga Bay. And within Phang Nga Island are lots of different caves. Now, we're at Bat Cave, which you can't really see, but trust me, there's a little opening there, and we're gonna go and canoe through there. Now, why is it called Bat Cave? I think it's pretty obvious, but you'll find out when we get in there. And then, once you get through the cave, it's gonna open up into a massive lagoon. And I have been told that there's lots of other animals in there as well. So, we're gonna go and explore Bat Cave. Let's see if Bruce Wayne's there. Ha ha! That's a Batman joke. Right, go! Hello. We're in our first cave. It's very scary. We should have done this at Halloween, you know. This is fun. Anyway, we're in a very dark cave and I shouldn't be having a torch to my face. I should shine it forward so we can see where we're going. Right, you might not be able to see this, but up there is a load of bats. So you've got to be careful with your mouth open because they might poo-poo on you. They stink, don't they? Not the nicest of smelling things, that's for sure. But anyway, there's bats up there, look. You can't see them, can you? Oh, look, there's loads of them. Oh, you can, shh, you can hear them. Oh. Wow. Oh, they're so cool. There's hundreds of them. Oh, the one just pooed on me. Wow, that's awesome. Hey, bats. Ugh. There's a little bit of guava coming down. Wow. So we've just come through the old Bat Cave and we're now in Bat Lagoon. I didn't do any work, look what's going on behind me. Good job. Paddler. Anyway, there we go. Look at this lagoon. This is awesome. It's like a scene out of Jurassic Park. Very cool. Very, very cool. There you go. Bat Lagoon. Woo woo! So, I'm here in Bat Lagoon and I'm trying to shoot some video, but my friend here, Julie, is trying to shoot video as well, and she's moaning because I'm moving around a lot. Look, she's shooting while I'm shooting. I'm shooting video, you shoot your video, I'll shoot my video, okay? No, I'll shoot my video, go away. Anyway, hi, Joe the Shark here. This is part of the Bio Tour. You come into a cave like this, you go through the cave and you come into these hidden lagoons. They're beautiful, aren't they, Julie? Yes. Anyway, there you go, hidden lagoons. Nice and peaceful and tranquil. Part of your bioluminescence tour, that's right. I got to learn to say that word. Bioluminescence. Anyway, just enjoy it. It's beautiful, look. All right, you can say it, well done.
I've reached the top and I had to stop, but that's what's bothering me. I wanna be a man cub and stroll right into town and be just like those other men. I'm tired of monkeying around those.
Ooby-doo, I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you. You see it's true.
behind me is the iconic James Bond island. That was in the 1976 film The Man with the Golden Gun. One of the best James... No, it wasn't one of the best James Bond films, to be fair. Anyway, you can go on the island if you want to. It's up to you. We recommend you don't. You can come here and we can take some selfies, which I'm going to take in a minute, and then we can go off and explore other places. If you want to get off, you can. But once again, don't recommend it, because that's the bit you want to see, and then you can go, okay? Go! Oh, hold on. I better do some selfies first, and then I'll go. So you go, and then I'll take selfies. Yes, go! Koh Panyee, the floating village. It's not floating, it's on stilts. In fact, I've done a whole video about Koh Panyee and its awesome football pitch. Go check it out. I'll put the link in the description. Anyway, we're going here to look around this beautiful island. Check out what they've got for sale. Trust me, there's a lot of pearls. You're gonna get a pearl necklace if you want one. And we're gonna have some lovely dinner. Some fresh seafood. That's what I fancy. Anyway, Koh Panyee, go look at it. Right, I'm just about to get in this boat because Alex said it's very fast and he reckons I should have a go of it. So, this is it. We're going speed racing. I don't need that. Phang, quickly. We're gonna go and have a blast. Holy sugar plum fairy. How do I sit? Do I hold the rope or not?
Okay, nice.
Oh, this is it? All right. Yeah, baby! Dinner done, very nice. I had spicy squid. Some of them had pad thai. It was all good stuff though. Now we're gonna go and find a little place to watch the sunset, and then after sunset, it's off to see the bio. It's gotta get dark though. About another half hour or so. Anyway, yummy! We've now got to Hong Island, which is where we're going to go and take these kayaks and check out the bioluminescence. Now, on your tour, you might have come to Hong Island first because the bio is in different places around Phang Nga, so it depends on the tide and the weather and the day where we go to check it out. Today, we're going to kayak in Hong Island because Alex, who's there, come here Alex, Alex said it's the best place through tide conditions and today's weather, is that right?
Yes, you know, like...
Don't just say yes!
We like, sometimes we like to go on the beach, like...
Yeah,
people like
but today we're not going to the beach, are we?
We're on the canoe.
Am I paddling?
Could be better.
Am I paddling?
No, I do for you.
Yeah, baby! Alex, right, let's go and see if we can find the bioluminescence.
I don't trust him to do canoe for
I'm
me.
good at paddling! Right, let's get out of here. Bush. So, as you can't see, Julie and I are in the kayak heading to the caves to go and check out the bioluminescence. But oh, there we go, look, there's me. Thank you. Spooky again. Anyway, we've got to turn the lights off because if the lights are on, you won't see the bioluminescence. I'm not sure you're going to see it with our cameras, but we're going to try it. Anyway, let's go. It's going to be fun. It's really dark now. I have no idea where we're going. Ooh, I can hear other people. Oh, scary. It's not really scary, to be fair. Right, let's look for some plankton. Anyone see any? Oh, look! Yeah, the light from the camera is ruining the shot, isn't it? I better turn it off. Anyway, there is plankton here, and there's some bio here. Right, let's turn this off and see if we can get some of the other camera. Guys, just have to be careful. Right, do it again, kick it. That's great, look at that. Wow, it's amazing. That really, keep going, that's a good job. So, there you go. As you can see, that was a bioluminescence. Okay, you didn't see it, but it's really, really hard to video it. We got GoPros out, we had iPhones out, nothing worked. But anyway, for once, you can just put your phones away, put your cameras away, and just enjoy it, because it is a natural spectacle. It is nature's light show. It is amazing, and it's an amazing tour. So if you do want to book this tour, then just go to the link below, I'll put it in the description, or just give us a call or WhatsApp us or send us a pigeon. It doesn't matter. But come and check out the bioluminescence tour, because you get to see the whole of Phang Nga Bay and all the joys that is there, plus you get to see the bioluminescence. And as I said, put your phones away, put your cameras away, and just enjoy it with your eyes. You know, like we did back in the 90s. There you go. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Cheers. But you put the torch down now, because then you won't see me. Go on, watch this. Ha ha.